Understanding the phrase, settle up. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to delve into an English phrase that you might hear quite often, especially when it comes to finances and payments. That phrase is settle up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in daily conversations. The term, settle up, is a phrasal verb, a combination of a main verb and a preposition or adverb. In this case, settle is the main verb and up is the particle. When combined, their meaning can change from the individual words. Settle. This word alone can mean to resolve or to come to an agreement. For example, they settled their differences. Up. This particle can indicate the completion of an action. When we put these together, settle up generally means to pay what is owed or to clear a debt. To really grasp its usage, let's look at a few examples. 1. After dinner, James told his friend, "I'll settle up with the waiter." This means James will pay the bill. 2. We've had a great vacation. Let's settle up our expenses before we leave. This implies dividing and paying off shared expenses. 3. Don't worry about the coffee. I'll settle up next time we meet. Here, the speaker is suggesting that they'll cover the cost the next time. While settle up can be used in various scenarios, there are some typical situations where you'll hear it. At restaurants or cafes. After sharing a meal or drinks, one might use the phrase to indicate they're taking care of the bill. During travel or group outings, when multiple people share costs for a trip or activity, they might use this phrase when dividing expenses. Business contexts. Sometimes, in business settings, one might use settle up to refer to clearing any outstanding payments or balances. And that wraps up our explainer on the phrase, settle up. We hope this has shed light on how to use and understand this commonly used English term. Always remember, language is a tool for communication, so don't be afraid to use new phrases and ask questions when in doubt. Until next time, happy learning!